Hello, how you doing today? So today I'm doing an unboxing, and the unboxing that I'm doing is from TrackUSA, and it is a rail extension and a tunnel extension for my Yamaha Viper 2005, because I'm changing the track length from 121 to 136. So let's take a look at what we got. Sticker, packing slip, so this is the second rail extension that I've bought from them. We had the Viper that we did from 121 to 144 last year, and that turned out really well. So, magazine, new bumper, gonna need that. Old bumper will not work. All right. So we got our rail extensions here, and I found these are really high quality. They match up with your slide rail or your rails on your normal suspension, so it's seamless all the way to the end, versus some that are like separate, that are just a bar across. So this gives you good support with your slide rail system, and all the nuts and bolts to do it pre-drilled, set up for your Yamaha. Nice high quality unit there, and it's got a milled surface that's milled out for this to match, so that it's really strong. So we got that. Then we got, so the tunnel extension comes with all the rivets necessary to put that in. Black ones where black ones are needed, and they're really high quality kit. And pre-drilled for the pilots where everything goes, so you can put it right on there. This is a really nice kit that matches up to the snowmobile very well. So going to put this all together and put this on the Vector for the long track. So impressed. First one of the tunnel extensions that I bought, and it's really high quality bends. You know, like I said, all the pre-drills on the rivets and everything, and pre-drill for the bar there. So I think it's going to work really well, and we'll see in a couple weeks when I put it on how it turns out. So TrackUSA, double win again. I would recommend them highly if you're going to do anything custom to your sled. Thanks for joining.